In this video, I'll show you guys how to get free or nearly free shipping on your rep orders on Cnfans. If you're trying to save money on hauls, don't skip this. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Alright, so Cnfans doesn't officially advertise free shipping like Amazon or Panda. Sometimes does. But here's the trick: coupon and agent discounts. If you play it right, you can cancel out your shipping costs completely. First, go to Cnfans app and check for available coupons. They regularly drop big ones like $100 off orders, and even shipping line specific discounts those stack up. Let's say your haul costs $350. If you use a $100 coupon and a 10% discount, that's already $135 off. Most small hauls ship for about that much, meaning your shipping cost is zero or super close. Here's a bonus hack: skip multiple small hauls instead of one big one. Cnfans shipping tiers are weird, and sometimes splitting into two boxes with separate coupons is cheaper than one box. So yeah, free shipping on Cnfans is real if you know what you're doing. Just stay alert for drops, time your hauls smart, and don't sleep on that coupon stack. If this video helped you, make sure you subscribe and like.